Hello friends, welcome back to your YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video let's learn about how to solve update messaging option not showing problem on Instagram. So let's get started. At first let's get into Instagram app. Before that, make sure you have already updated Instagram app and also updated the phone software as well. And even after that the problem is not solved, follow the following steps. Let's get into Instagram. Click on your profile icon in the bottom right corner and click on this three-line icon on the top right corner, and we cannot see any option for update messaging. So let's tap on settings and privacy. Now scroll down and we can see help option over here. So let's tap on this and click on report a problem. Now click on go back and seek phone. After which we need to seek our phone. Now click on report a problem. Now click on include and continue. Now explain your problem here. Once you are done, you can upload the screenshot of your problem as well. After that, simply click on this send button on the top right corner. After which we'll get a reply from Instagram. So this is all we can do to solve update messaging option not showing problem on Instagram. So that was all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.